What is the golden age of the Muslims? Those who have heard from me, I don't want them to answer. What is the golden age of the Muslims? He said, golden age of the Muslims? And I don't want those years. I mean, what is it that is called as golden age of the Muslims? No, the golden age of the Muslims. No. No.
After 300.
No, yaar.
After 800 years, when fourth
The people call golden age when we had Muslim scientists. The scientists of Baghdad, Abyssina, Ibn Haytham, Al-Farsi, Al-Maghribi. Muslim scientists, they have documentaries, na? There is one documentary by BBC. By BBC there is a documentary. 1,000 inventions by the Muslims. 1,000 inventions. When did this happen? It happened between 800 to 1300. Christian era. 800 to? Golden age. I say, remember, Muslim golden age is only when Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam lived. You can't have a golden age for the Muslims after Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And that is what the Prophet declared. My time is the best time. Whose time is the best time? How can it be the best time? There is no electricity, there is no air condition, there is no train, there is no aeroplane. He called it the best age because first time in his time period, the people recognize the Rabb the best. So for humans, the best time will be when they recognize the Rabb. If they don't recognize the Rabb and do anything else, it can never be the best time.